Most people who want to start investing never actually do. Not because they don't have money, not because they're not smart enough, but because nobody ever sat them down and showed them exactly how to do it step by step. And that's what this video is. I'm Alex, aka your money friend, and I'm going to walk you through opening a public.com investing account from scratch, every single step. By the time this video is over, you'll have your account open, funded, and your first investment placed. Let's get into it. What is public.com and why does it matter? Public.com is a commission-free investing platform. That means every time you buy or sell a stock, ETF, or other investment, you pay zero in trading fees. And that's a big deal because older brokerages used to charge $5 to $10 per trade. So with that said, here's what you can invest in on public.com. Stocks are ownership in individual companies like Apple, Tesla, or Amazon. ETFs are baskets of stocks bundled together. Instead of buying one company, you're buying a small piece of many companies at once. And this automatically spreads your risk. It's one of the most popular starting points for new investors. Crypto covers digital currencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Public.com currently supports 21 different cryptocurrencies, bonds, and US treasuries, one of the safest investment types available. On top of all of that, Public.com has a high yield cash account that pays 3.3% APY on any uninvested cash sitting in your account. APY is the interest rate you earn on your money over a year. So even while you're deciding what to invest, your cash is already earned. And right now, Public.com has a better structure on eligible transfers and rollovers for new accounts. That means if you transfer $10,000 over, Public.com adds $100. The link in the description has the current offer details, including the terms. What you need to know before you start. Before you open the app, have these things ready: your email address, your phone number, and your date of birth and your full home address. Your social security number is also required by law for every investing account in the US. Every legitimate brokerage collects it. It's how the government tracks investment activity for tax purposes. You don't need a lot of money to get started. Public.com has no minimum deposit requirements. All right, so let's get into step one of actually getting started, and let's hop into the public.com sign up page. So go to the link down in the description below, and that takes you directly to public.com's website with the current sign up offer applied. So you'll take a look and you'll go ahead and be able to scroll through everything, see everything that you can go ahead and trade on public.com and invest in. You can also scroll through everything to see what you get. You have their AI agent, and you get marketing briefs, key moments, generated assets, earning call summaries, research assistant. All you got to do is press get started. Oh, real quickly, you can also download the public.com app on your iPhone or Android device. And once you get there, you simply just press get started as well. But it's easier to set it up on the computer. After you press get started, it's going to take you to this page that says start investing in 5 minutes or less. All right, so now we're on to the second step, which is actually creating your account. So you're going to enter in right here. It's going to ask for your phone number. I'm going to go ahead and blur out all this information because it's personal, but you guys just enter in your phone number. So I'm going to enter mine in. After that, it's going to go ahead and send you a 6-digit code. So check your phone to see if you received a text and just go ahead and put that code in right here. Now it's going to go ahead and ask you for an email address. So go ahead and put the email address that you want connected to your account and create your password. After you have that, you'll just go ahead and press continue. And then it's going to ask you and say you're eligible for fast track sign up. All your info pre-filled instantly using your Plaid account. You review every detail before sharing, secured with bank grade encryption. So yeah, you are able to use Plaid, and it's going to make it a lot easier to actually set up. It just fills in all of your information if you have set up a Plaid account in the past. But for this video's purpose, we're just going to be setting it up manually because I'm not sure if you guys have a Plaid account set up, but it is available if you do. So I'm just going to press this X right here, and then I will press exit, and it'll continue from there. So next up, it's going to ask you to verify your identity. So you're going to have to put in your legal first name and your last name, and then your date of birth. Personal information. So this is the section that we're actually on right now. And so this section has a few parts. Here's exactly what you'll fill in. First, it's your first name and your last name. So we're going to put my first name, my last name, and then put in your date of birth. Then it's going to ask you your citizenship status. So whether you're a US citizen, permanent resident, or a visa holder. So you'll just go ahead and enter that in. It'll then ask you your address. So we're going to go ahead and put our address in right here. Next up, it's going to ask you your employment status. So if you select employed, you'll need to add your employer name and job title, and then your marital status and number of dependents. After that, there are 3 compliance questions. So first off, let's just go ahead and answer this. So your employment status, you can go ahead and put employed. So if you're self-employed, you can go ahead and put yourself, and you just put your position. Then you'll go ahead and click your yearly income, and then it'll ask you for your net worth, and you can go ahead and put that down there as well. After that, there are these compliance questions. So these sound more intense than they really are. Public.com will ask you if you or anyone you know in your immediate family is a 10% or greater shareholder in a publicly traded company. If anyone in your family works for Securities Exchange, FINRA, or a brokerage firm, and if you or your family are politically exposed. For the vast majority of people, none of this applies. Just read each one, and if none of them fit you, hit none of these apply and keep moving. So we're just gonna go ahead and put none of these apply. We're gonna press continue right here. Then you'll enter in your investing experience. So you can say, I'm new to investing. I have some experience. I invest regularly. I use advanced strategies. I'll just put I have some experience and press continue. Now, this is the important part. It's going to finally ask you for your social security number. And this is entered at the end of this section. After this, you'll go ahead and it's going to ask you your crypto preferences. So I'm not going to enter in my social security number right now, actually. So this is as far as we can go as far as showing you guys these steps on this sign up page. But the rest of the questions are pretty simple. I'm going to walk you through it manually and verbally so that you guys know what you're looking at when you're actually signing up. I already have an account, so it won't let me put my social security number in again. So I am just going to go into my account. So I'm just going to go ahead and walk you guys through verbally the next steps. So next up, public.com will ask you if you want to enable crypto trading on your account. If you're familiar with crypto and want to access it, go ahead and enable it. If you're brand new and you want to keep things simple, just skip it for now. And step 5 is choosing your account type. Public.com offers 2 main account types, a cash account and a margin account. With a cash account, you invest only with the money you actually have. This is the right starting point for the vast majority of beginners. With a margin account, you can borrow money from public.com to invest with. So your buying power is larger than you actually deposited. Interest fees also apply on the borrowed money and can eat into your returns over time. Step 6 is agree to terms and conditions. Public.com will show you their terms and conditions. Scroll through them, and when you're ready, click I agree to submit your application. Most accounts are approved instantly. In some cases, it may take a day or two if additional verification is needed. Setting up your investing goals. So after your application is submitted, public.com asks you to select your investing goals and interests. You can update all of this later, so don't overthink it. Now it's time to put money in. Public.com gives you 2 funding options, instant bank linking or wire transfer. Instant bank linking is the easiest and most common method. Public.com uses a service called Plaid, you guys saw it earlier, to connect your bank account to the app. Plaid is a secure bank connection technology. It's safe and it takes about 2 minutes. Funds typically take 1 to 3 business days to fully clear, but in many cases, you'll have buying power available right away. How to buy your first investment. Here's how to place your first trade. We won't actually be placing a trade on this account because it's a demo account, and you'll see my buying power right now is $0 because I don't have anything linked to here, or I don't have anything deposited. You'll see it's also asking me to link your bank account to make deposits and withdrawals. If you guys follow the steps that I walked you through, you guys will already have everything linked, and your buying power here will be whatever you deposited earlier. So here's how to place your first trade. Go to the search bar at the top of the app and type in the name or ticker symbol of whatever you want to buy. If you're brand new and not sure where to start, a broad market ETF is the most beginner friendly option. One worth looking at is SCHD. So that's the ticker for the Schwab US Dividend Equity ETF. It holds over 100 stocks, has delivered an average annual return of around 12.9% since its inception in 2011 and pays regular dividends. Dividends are cash payments that certain companies send to their investors on a regular schedule. That said, do your own research before putting money into anything. This isn't financial advice, just a starting point worth exploring. So before you buy anything, scroll through the asset page. You'll see the price chart right here, the dividend yield, expense ratio, which is the annual fee the fund charges to manage your money. And on SCHD, it's very low, the 52-week price range, top holdings, historical, and annual returns. So I know I just mentioned a lot right there, but let me actually scroll through all of this for you guys. So you'll see this is going to be the chart for you. You'll be able to see your position, the about, the top holdings, average annual return, which I talked about, news and exclusive content, and then investment plans with SCHD. If you keep scrolling, you'll see the options down here, but that's pretty much everything you see on this main page. Get comfortable with what you're buying before you commit money to it. When you're ready, scroll back to the top of the page. On the right side right here, the right side of your screen, you'll see the buy option. You can buy in dollars, which allows fractional shares, or buy in full shares. So we'll go ahead and put it right here. We're gonna buy in dollars, so you'll see the options here. You'll see order type, market order, and then you'll see buy in dollars or shares. You'll enter in the amount. Let's just say we want to do $30. So total cost, there you go, $30. Right now our buying power is $0. 0 because we don't have any money in this account, but you'll be able to use whatever money you have deposited into your account. So after that, you'll hit review order, check that everything looks right, and hit submit on your order. Your order is placed and it's executed. Now you are invested. So really quickly, I also want to cover how to sell. There's two main ways you can do it, but you can go to your portfolio. The easiest way is just going to be typing in the ticker right here again, and you'll see right next to buy, you have sell, which I obviously don't have anything right now. Any shares of it are, SCHD at the moment. But if you did, you would be allowed to press this sell icon. You'll see it's grayed out for me. So you click on the asset you want to sell, you hit sell in the top right hand corner, choose the amount you want to sell, either in dollars or in shares, and then click preview order. Pricing. What does public.com actually cost? The standard public.com account is free. Public.com does have a paid tier called Public Premium, which costs here $8 a month. All right, so you can see you can go ahead and sign up for premium right here on this page. You'll just go ahead and press sign up for premium, and you'll be able to update your account to premium. The free account gives you everything you need to get started and build your first portfolio. As your account grows and you want more advanced tools, it's worth investing. The link to open your public.com account is in the description down below. The link is an affiliate link, meaning we earn a small commission if you sign up through it at no extra cost to you. And that's what keeps this channel going. So if you use it, we really appreciate it. If this video helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe. That's it for me, Alex, aka Your Money Friend. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.